Begin your day with sunlight spilling across the sky and the sea shimmering in the distance. Step into a bold new chapter of modern coastal living where balconies break free from the ordinary square mould, creating a distinctive silhouette that redefines apartment design. Welcome to Ocean Breeze Negombo Phase 2. Rising 24 stories with 287 units, this hotel residency offers everything you could wish for in a beachside escape. Start your mornings with a refreshing sea breeze and panoramic ocean views. Experience timeless elegance where sophisticated design and a warm ambience welcome you into a life of comfort, connection, and ease. Every space is crafted to embrace relaxation and understated refinement. Discover smart interiors thoughtfully designed for simplicity, efficiency, and contemporary living. At Ocean Breeze, enjoy open-air escapes, bold architecture, and breathtaking views of the coastline. Dine above it all, with elevated restaurants offering stunning vistas and unforgettable ambience. With Sri Lanka's booming tourism driving demand, high-return investment opportunities are emerging every day. Now is your moment to be part of Ocean Breeze Negombo Phase 2. GHR, your blueprint to wealth creation.
Meet the experts behind Ocean Breeze Negombo Phase 2. Lead architect, Anushka Dasanayaka. Chief engineer, Lalith Lianarakchi. So structural engineer, Yasas Gunawardana from STEMS Consultants Private Limited. MEP consultant, DEMEP Consultants Private Limited. GHR, your blueprint to wealth creation.